Hello everyone. Yes, this webinar will be recorded as usual. That's the most popular question I always get. And this time I'm going to be talking about how to generate different ideas for your blog posts or for your newsletters. And it's not only about the idea generation part, but it's also about starting, where to start from, how to start, and how to write when you don't know what to write about. Because we do have a ton of these different ideas, lists of ideas online. Actually, I'm going to share you a big list of what we have prepared for you. It's 100 different ideas, so that's going to be helpful also. But sometimes even when you have that idea, you sit down in front of the computer and you don't know what to write. So I'll share with you what I do when I'm faced with this problem. Hopefully it will help you out. You're going to love this. It will not only help you with blog posts and newsletters, but even sometimes when you're giving a speech, answering a question during interviews, or much, much more. So hope to see you at the webinar. It's going to take 30 minutes. Then I'm going to answer your questions, and all the details are in the description of this video or somewhere on this page. Just find your time zone, subscribe, and I'll see you at the webinar.